Live from the MultiGP headquarters, this is MultiGP News.
Welcome to MultiGP News. The Southeast Regional Final is coming up. Pilots are packed up and charged up for the big race. Plus, Week 12 of regional qualifiers wrapped up in the Northeast and North Central regions. A breakdown of those races ahead. Then a full recap of some tight racing and great times from Buffalo Bando 2018. Also details on our next wildcard event at Flight Fest, Ohio, and a fun compilation of some of our favorite moments from this past weekend. All this on MultiGP News. We are days away from the kickoff for the second regional final in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series presented by the Academy of Model Aeronautics. The Southeast Final takes flight from the lovely AMA field groomed by Rocket City RC in beautiful Huntsville, Alabama on June 30th and July 1st. Hey, are you one of the top 100 qualified pilots in the Southeast region? Congratulations! We have standby tickets available for this weekend's Southeast Regional Final of the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series for just $40. You can register as a standby pilot. Fly the expansive 2018 Regional Final course with the Super Hurdle, Launch, and original DRL dive gate flirtles, and more. Compete against the top 100 pilots in the Southeast. You can advance right to the Final Four to earn podium prizes, trophies, and awards. Get extra track time. Be featured on live broadcasts. Grab your ticket now and join us in Huntsville, Alabama this Saturday and Sunday. Driving or flying to the final? Be sure to book your rooms at the Doubletree Suites by Hilton Hotel to take advantage of their discounted prices for anyone attending the MultiGP event. Qualifying rounds begin Saturday to narrow the field. Then on Sunday, the top 32 go head-to-head, flying faster to advance to the MultiGP Championships in Florida this December. Another big thank you to Team Black Sheep, Hobby Wing, Fat Shark, and the Academy of Model Aeronautics, who helped make the MultiGP Regional Finals happen. To all of MultiGP, plan to be there or watch the live stream broadcast of the top 32 this Sunday, July 1st at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on multigp.com/live. Week 12 wrapped up with the regional qualifiers in the Northeast and North Central regions. There was some close races and some fast times coming in, and one of my favorite female pilots racing this weekend. Go Rotor Girl. A shout out to Quad Squad and Maryland Quad Racers for hosting those races. Let's take a look. Week 12 of the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series presented by the Academy of Model Aeronautics wrapped up, and this week's update had some close racing. And the North Central region pilots like Chris Fluxy Spangler walking away first with a stunning 18 laps in 6 minutes and 21 seconds. Here are the complete results for that qualifier. Then in the Northeast, Thomas T-Rex Hennon nailing the qualifiers and taking the top spot with 18 laps in 6 minutes and 23 seconds. One of my favorite female pilots also showing up to race, Jessica Rotor Girl Farrar, ripping up the track and taking 5th with 15 laps in 6 minutes and 21 seconds. That seeds her 26th in the Northeast region and ranks her 119th in the national qualifier standings. After 12 weeks, 557 pilots have done a lap or more on the regional qualifier track. Congratulations to all qualified pilots. And here are your next regional qualifiers on the schedule coming up. For those who need to know to set up your chapter's qualifier race, just log on to multigp.com, find your chapter's homepage, click the Add Event button, and create a regional qualifier. Have you made plans to visit us at the largest FPV event on the planet? The 2018 MultiGP International Open is shaping up to be the best event ever. Everything is coming into place for 8 big tracks, 2 of them World Cup, with big races planned, The I.O. will have a central stage at the vendor village and food court. We will party at the Tiny Whoop and LED tracks. Everyone will love the micro and the X-Class action. The TBS Lounge is coming to the International Open with Trappy. We have confirmed the Lunchbox FPV is serving lunch to a lucky 100 per day. Do you think MultiGP will get the new Lunchbox first? Here's a scoop. MultiGP and the Lunchbox are planning a family zone for everyone to enjoy. Visitors to the Family Zone at the 2018 MultiGP International Open can play with Los Quads, ask questions about parts, try a simulator, all to learn the basics of FPV flight. Fun for all, bring the whole family to I.O. Video Aerial Systems and the FPV Racing Association will be ready to share FPV wing flying with you. Plan to fly. The spec race is shaping up great. $5,000 goes to the top 8 pilots. Get your spec quad ready. MultiGP invites you to Muncie, Indiana, the headquarters of the Academy of Model Aeronautics, for the 2018 MultiGP International Open. Visit multigp.com to purchase your tickets now. What a successful turnout at Buffalo Bando 2018. Pilots from all over the US and Canada gathered to compete at what some are calling the most epic event in the Northeast. This past weekend, MultiGP sanctioned the Buffalo Bando race in Buffalo, New York. Hosted inside the Buffalo Riverworks complex, a 60,000 square foot entertainment venue that hosts roller derbies, weekly soccer and hockey matches, the world of FPV drone racing took center stage as over 55 pilots from across the US and Canada competed for their share of podium awards, recognition, and the first wildcard slot to be awarded in the 2018 MultiGP Regional Series presented by the Academy of Model Aeronautics. MultiGP Chapter NLFPV hosted the event presented by Ready Made RC, featuring 3 flight lines, the first an indoor qualifying course managed by MultiGP Chapter Safety Third Racing, the second the outdoor championship course. Championship Sunday was broadcast via live stream hosted by our very own Joe Scully, along with guest commentators like Nurk and Keeley FPV. Qualifying races started Friday, June 22nd and ran to almost midnight. The competition carried over to Saturday morning. Finally, after 8 rounds of qualifying, the stage was set for the championships.
Here we go, underway.
Oh no!
So this is our first look at the Bando course outside.
Now we have everybody within a half turn.
Otter killing it right now. Stale Beer thought was coming in. Now we're seeing some issues with him. So now it's Otter leading Punk kills by a good chunk. I want to say about 12 seconds.
Punk kills and Slowpoke are right on top of each other with Otter out front.
The field of pilots was sliced to the top 16 to be the pro class and 17th through 32 the intermediate division. Each group battled in a top 16 double elimination bracket to decide the podium and the wild card slot.
Any picks on this one, Kelly?
You know, if Vanover sticks with his consistency and doesn't crash, I think he's got it.
Texas, Massachusetts, Indiana, and Canada getting ready to roll. It's going to be Captain Vanover, then Bull, then Ethan. Now a little bit of a pass on that inside. Bull getting ahead of Ethan FPV, dropping him into third. Vanover still your leader. Nurk cleaning up in fourth. But again, this is lap number 1. This is a hot one. They're losing their minds here in the chat. They're all the pilots' names coming in. After 1, it'll be Vanover, Bull, and
Nurk
Ethan.
out.
And our man from Indiana, my co-commentator from the intermediate class, Nurk, is going to be your first one down, unfortunately, as we still have another 2 to go.
Vanover and Bull, just a couple.
Look at that, 15-9 for Vanover the last time around. And you were going to feel it here in this last one.
7/10 difference. They are. Bull is right on Vanover. I will tell you that. Well, we got probably a little under a second difference right now. They are both coming up and over the S-bend, back down through. It looks like Bull hit the ground. 1 and 2. Vanover and Ethan FPV. Vanover wins it. Y'all spinning out. What an amazing day this has been for Vanover. 16-second laps.
Wow.
Wait, 15-second laps.
Lap 3 was a 15-3. Lap 2 was a 15-9. Then he had 16-7 on his last one and 19-5 on his opener. 4 laps in a minute 7. That's the fastest we've seen 4 on this Bando course. As your champion of Buffalo Bando 2018, Vanover, that little freestyle session, bringing it down early. And I know they're all smiles outside.
And here are your top pilots in pro class. Our very own Alex Captain Vanover taking first with 4 laps in a minute and 7 seconds. And here are your top pilots for intermediate class.
As you look to the right, Ricky 4th overall, Punk Kills 2nd runner-up, 3rd on our podium, APC FPV a reserve champion as he said, and Sidewinder with the win.
As we all know, Captain Vanover is the reigning MultiGP champion. He has a buy-in to the Fast 56 at the championships, so the wild card ticket he earned was passed down to the reserve champion, Ethan FPV Kling from Massachusetts. A lot of happy pilots continue to freestyle the Bando ruins and silos through Saturday night and Sunday as well. Truly a great time. Hey everyone, Flight Fest Ohio is coming up soon. You gotta try to make it to this amazing event. The Fun Flight Fest Ohio kicks off July 12th and runs through the 15th. Flight Fest Ohio is another event where one pilot will earn a wildcard ticket to advance directly to the championship. The family-oriented Flight Fest Ohio focuses on bringing RC aviation enthusiasts together for 4 days of fun-filled learning and adventure. Flight Fest Ohio is designed for everyone passionate about building and flying. Whether you're an RC beginner, an RC expert, the big event will have something for everyone. Activities include live music, family-centered activities held in the family tent, flight simulators, and a host of entertainment for everyone. Pilots can scratch, build a flyer with the help of well-known RC experts at the event, race their FPV wings or quads, join the combats, and socialize. Need more info? Visit our website at multigp.com and click on the Events tab. Let's move on to our featured photos of the week. We have a collage of pics from the spectacular event at Buffalo Bando 2018. Check it out. Now let's take a moment to remember JC Culpepper, aka Project Blue Falcon, who tragically lost his life in a car accident last year. What a great guy. He was admired by many for his contributions to the FPV community. Rest in peace, Project Blue Falcon. That's all the time we have for this week's news. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to MultiGP and click on that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalara Menade, reporting for MultiGP News. See you next week.
If you like this video, press the like button below, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in being showcased in the next episode of MultiGP News, please contact us at news@multigp.com.